Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out forum tips for Endeavour OS. So you have to open the welcome app, go to the tips section, and here on the forum tips, you have to click the button. So that button will open up the page showing you how to include the system logs in your post. So you can post the system logs to your post in the forum or the community. So you can get a precise help based on the system log that you attach with your post. So what happens is many times the new user will ask for help. He might share some screenshot, but those screenshot may not give the complete picture what has happened to your system, and the advanced users, the administrators cannot help you in precise way so that the problem is resolved. To resolve your problem precisely, you have to attach the system logs with your error report or your bug report, and then the advanced users and system administrators and other users can help you out. So here it is there is a small manual to show you how to include the system logs in your post. So you can go through this. It is very precise, and it will be very helpful to get you started with communication with other advanced users in the community and forums. So just go through this manual. It is given here, and there are some links. You can see it here. So you can search the different categories like ACPI, kernel parameters, AMD GPU applications, ARM articles, audio, AUR, Bluetooth, ButterFS, desktop environments, encrypted installations, Endeavour OS tools, gaming, grub and refined, hardware installation, Intel GPU, network, NVIDIA, Pacman printers, signature and keyring, storage and partition, system rescue, video tutorials, video tiling and manager. So it is very exhaustive list of different components of the system and how you can help yourself and get help from the forum to solve your problems regarding all these system components. So with this, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.